Guys, as you can hear, they're starting up the engines.
Jump out and do it.
What?
Jump out and do it.
Okay. Guys, I'm getting out the car. As my granddad said. Bye-bye, helicopter. I've been believing about helicopters. No joke, I have. Guys, this helicopter has been here since like 3 hours ago. So the helicopter's been here for 3 hours. I'm assuming the person died, I'm not very sure. The paramedics had to come under that gate over there. Now they're taking off. 3, 2, 1, come on. 2, 1, take off. Very noisy. Very windy right now because of the helicopter. The ambulance people just left from dropping off the air paramedics. They helped them carry all the equipment. 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's got even windier. This is a construction site. But it was in some of the houses down the road. It was in one of the houses down the road. So they had to get an ambulance to take them down to the house. I'm shouting because it's really loud. I was gonna do the whole video in my nan's car, but I decided to do it here, outside the car. Guys, they're taking off like any second now. 3, 2, 1, clearance! To me. Their rotors are going very, very fast. It looks like they're going slow, but they're not. Being honest. Where the hell are they going? Wells Pool is that way, not that way. Guys, I might have to end this video early because I've got like 10 seconds left of storage for videos on this phone, no joke.